volley. All it is that you strike the ball before it hits the ground. You can do it on the right side or the left side. When it's on your right side, you want to put your left leg in front of you and position your legs just like you would for a forehand. And for your left side, put your right leg in front of you, just like you did for backside. When it comes to the racket, you want to try to keep the head of the racket above your hand, and try to always strike the ball in front of you. Notice that the swing doesn't follow through as much as it does for forehand and backside. It's a lot shorter, gives you more direction and control. So that's it. Legs, same as forehand and backside, and just make sure that you try to hit the ball with the head of the racket above your hand, and hit the ball when it's in front of you. Have fun!